Good afternoon, folks. Bringing you this 2001 Patriot Blue Jeep Cherokee XJ. This is a 4x4. We haven't had a Cherokee in inventory in a while, so it's kind of nice to finally have another one up for sale. This one's pretty special. It's under 100,000 miles, which is awesome. Spent almost its whole life in Northern California, basically San Francisco region. And it runs and drives like a 73,000 mile 2001 XJ should. Motor's really strong, shifts well, features the 4.0 242 AMC Inline 6. Made it to the AW4 automatic transmission, and it is what it is. It's a super clean XJ. The paint is mostly all original on it. The hood at some point has been repainted. We did not do that. It was done a long time ago, and I don't know why. But the car is in good shape. There's no major body damage or dings or anything like that on it. Check our website, johnstonmotorsales.com. For more information on this Jeep and to see a ton of pictures of it. We have a ton of pictures of this Jeep. Tires are basically brand new. They're about a year old, and they have, I think, like a couple thousand miles on them. So, like I said, it's sitting right at 73,000 miles. This is a sport trim. So with the sport trim, you get, you know, what do you call this? The plastic side trim. I can't talk today. Anyways, and a few upgrades. Check out the inside. It's really, really clean. One of the bigger upgrades on this does have the selec-trac full-time option. So you got 4 low, neutral, 4 high, 4 part-time, and then obviously 2-wheel drive. And with that, it does come with ABS, which is kind of nice. If you're looking, kind of a nice little safety feature. Interior is immaculate. Headliner is great. Does have a factory full-size spare. Dana 30 in the front, Dana 35 in the rear. Everything works as it should on this Jeep. Even the factory original radio works. So, and all the speakers, which is amazing. Door locks work, windows work. It's totally good to go. It's fully serviced. Fluids are clean. Fluids are good. Let me take you around it, and we'll start it up. I love this Patriot Blue. It's a really, really cool color. This does feature the one of the upgrades it has on it from when it was new, ordered this way, is the 15-inch. They call these the Echo wheels. Check out the back end. This paint is just in super good condition for its age. I mean, these are usually a totally scratched up. We did do, I forgot to mention this, we did do a full ceramic coating on this vehicle, so it basically preserves and protects the original paint, and it lasts for, oh gosh, if you take care of it, it'll last for 5 years or so, maybe even longer if it's garaged. This Jeep seems like it's been garaged a lot, actually. There's no major sun fade on it, anything like that. Back end is clean. Like I said, full-size factory spare. Jack and everything for it is underneath the back seat. Clean title, obviously. Clean history, clean Carfax, all that good stuff. That's all we sell here. No major rot or rust on it. Here's the back end. It's kind of hard to see with the lighting in here, but you'll get the idea. Still has the original factory floor mats in it. They are in outstanding condition. This thing runs and drives tight. It drives very, very good going down the road. Cruise control works. Everything works on it. AC blows cold, heat is hot. Let me pop the hood and I'll start her up so you can hear it. These XJs are getting harder and harder to find. We used to solely specialize in these, and at one point we have, 9 or 10 of them around, but now we're lucky if we get one in, so. There's your straight 6. Let me start it up. Folks, if you have any questions, you can reach us anytime, 940-808-2382. Check out our website, johnstonmotorsales.com, and yeah, reach out to us. Don't forget to like, tag, and share us. Click the bell, and check out our Facebook page as well. Let me start this up so you can hear it. Motor runs great, oil pressure's good, no overheating. Super clean XJ, super cool. Gotta love these old Jeeps. We'll catch y'all next time. Thanks for checking us out.